Pride, I announce for Lifetime Achievement Award for Early Childhood Education. It goes to Radhika Bhushan, founder director of Shrikant Bhushan Little Folks Preschool. Let's welcome and congratulate Radhika, and we request you to say a few words. Radhika Bhushan.
Evening, everybody. As I accept this high distinction of a Lifetime Achievement Award, I can't help but remember my sister, my inspiration, my motivation. Had it not been for your push, Rohini, I would not have reached this far. Thank you, Elite Tech team, for recognizing my work and awarding me with this honor. I have no extraordinary tales to tell. A small town, a small start, but a huge passion. A passion to work for the cause of early childhood education. I think it's this passion which eggs you on towards an obsession where you work tirelessly to achieve the best in your chosen field. Every little step of progress my children take, my heart fills up with joy. Their achievements become my gratification. I have devoted my entire life nurturing these nestlings till they take flight into the big world. Shrikant Bhushan Little Folks Preschool believes that when early years of the child are filled with love and learning is made a joyous journey, they are bound to blossom in their life skills and personality. The worth of our little folks cannot be measured immediately. There are no instant display of our scores. Our scores are to be read in the lives that are being made, the perfections that are being reached, and the excellence that has been reached already. When I meet these young men and women now after so many decades, my heart swells with pride to see what wonderful human beings they have become. This honor is a gratification for all the years of labor and toil I have put in and means a great deal to me. It motivates me to move on with more grit, more joy in this passionate journey of mine. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Radhika, and congratulations once again for the World Education Summit Award. And we move on to the next award, and this award is for leading preschool chain national, and the award goes to Little One, the Jaipuria Preschool. Congratulations, and I would request the winners to say a few words.
Little One the Jaipuria Preschool was started with the vision of integrating play and learn using new techniques involving love and compassion that children usually respond to. The idea was the school to be an extension of their homes so that they have fun while learning. I'm so glad that this approach has worked, and I would like to thank eLet's Technomedia for giving us the recognition of the leading preschool chain in the country. I'm really thankful to you, and I'm also thankful to all the stakeholders without whose efforts this recognition would not have been possible.
Thank you so much, and congratulations.